Hey guys, welcome to OMG. Today I'll be talking about Indeed.com. Indeed is another great platform where you'll be getting a lot of jobs online. You'll be having a lot of work from home and part-time jobs from Indeed. So I'll be showing you how Indeed works. So this is my profile in Indeed. Indeed is a great platform actually. Uh, I have found a lot of content writing jobs from this website. You even have many reputed companies in Indeed. So make sure that you search for very good job, from very good reputed company. So even in this video, I'll be showing you content writing job. I'll be searching for it for just for an example. I'm not going to advertise or post, or I'm not going to judge any of these recruiters or company. I'm just showing you for an example. Please don't make it as my suggestion. I'm not suggesting any of these companies. I'll be showing you how to apply for a job in Indeed. Yeah, that's how. Filter for your favorite category or whatever skill you have. Complete your profile, sign in, and then log into your account after completing everything, and then start applying for jobs. You'll be having a lot of filter. Then when you just find that right job, click on apply. You have to upload your resume. So the recruiter will be receiving your resume when they get your application. And there is also another feature where the recruiter will be giving you an assessment in Indeed platform itself. Indeed platform will itself be hosting you assessments which will take some time. Like it will run in a timer. You have to complete all these questions. It will take around 9 minutes maximum. So those assessment results will be sent to your recruiter, and he will be looking at it and will take you or not. Like it's like an interview online. And so here, this is for an example. I'm not really applying for this job. I'll just show you for an example. But before, if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell notification so that you won't miss any update from our channel. So I have shown you an example of how to apply to a job in Indeed. Same way, there are so many legit jobs available in Indeed. It's a trusted platform. There are many fake jobs also. So before ever applying to a job, make sure that you search for that company through Google, through Indeed, Facebook. Many of the reputed companies will be having a LinkedIn page and a Facebook page, obviously. And search in social media platforms for the company details and people working there, and ask them about the review. See, in Indeed, there are so many reputed companies registered who will be posting jobs frequently. So make sure you check out on them. Apply on their company site is one option where people will be giving you to redirect and apply your job posting through their site or through this Indeed itself. So make sure you check out all the other reputed companies available on Indeed. Indeed is a great platform. You can work from home. There are so many jobs. You can actually earn a lot from this Indeed. You can actually get more than 25,000 as a student. You can actually earn this much amount of money with just basic skills. You don't even most of the work from home jobs won't be asking you any degree certificate or something like that, unless it's a complicated and field based work. Most of the content writing works won't be asking you if you're because I have applied for more than 10 jobs. So most of them didn't ask me any degree certificate and all. They just tested my skill and my other work experiences. So make sure you check out for that. Students can actually earn a lot from this website. Keep an eye on it. You can work from home from this Indeed website. If you have any doubts, post it in the comments below. I'll make sure answer everything as soon as possible. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because I'll be updating more student friendly online jobs. And meet you all in the next video. Until then, bye and thank you.